Tariqa Mehmet.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا. He tells Muslims not to be separate but to be united, because in unity there is strength and in division there is weakness. Unbelievers, kafirs and shaitan want that. إنما يريد الشيطان أن يوقع بينكم العداوة والبغضاء. Shaitan wants to cause resentment, enmity, hatred and animosity between you. Why does he want that? It is in order to weaken Muslims and to exterminate them. Of course, certainly Allah Azza wa Jalla made a promise to spread His religion all over the world. That day will come. But until that day comes, Muslims are becoming enemies to each other, helping kafirs, infidels, and causing suffering to themselves. Whereas unity is something loved by Allah, and it is a test given by Allah to Muslims. If they pass it, they will become beloved ones of Allah. Otherwise, if they are enemies to each other, saying, "You are this and I am that," they will have the rage of Allah and will never be successful. Therefore, Muslims should support other Muslims. They should be together, especially those on the way of haqq, on the way of truth. Those who are not on the right way are helpers of shaitan anyway. They are worse than shaitan. Therefore, those on the right path should not say bad words to each other. They should not backbite about each other. Allah Azza wa Jalla gave everyone a certain quality. They should use their qualities for goodness, not for badness. If you are on the right way, if you are a Muslim on the right path, you must not see others' flaws. If there's a flaw, it must be covered. Allah is as-Sattar, the veiler, and He loves those who conceal. Therefore, we have to see good things, not flaws. People nowadays look everywhere they can in order to see a flaw. Everyone has their flaws. But when on the right way, they're not important. What's flawed is division and separation. Unity is beautiful. It is something loved by Allah and our Holy Prophet ﷺ. May Allah let us all be on this beautiful way and have beautiful deeds.